What is going on, guys? This is here back with you again with another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to fix Novaclick not working on Bullx Neo trading terminal. As you know, yesterday I made a video on how to fix the button, because as of yesterday the buttons, the quick buy buttons, and also if you click on the buy and sell buttons are not appearing, so which made me to actually make this particular video right here. And of course we were able to actually fix that, but just some hours after I released this video, Bullx Neo also blocked that process. So of course later in the day, the support of Bullx, basically the Novaclick, released an updated Chrome extension on their support group, which is this right here. So what you need to do is, I am not going to be dropping a link, because to avoid any scammy or shady links that some people might share, so just go into their support group, join their support. Of course, even within your bot you can actually see the support, so click on that. Once you click on that, come into their support group right here. You have announcement, you have support, so check the support, and of course check the pin message right here, as you can see. So click on the pin message. This is it right here, so you can click on it. So once you click on that, it will bring you to a page exactly like this. So this is the link you want to click. So because it is the extension, we need to download it. So I've clicked on it. As you can see at the top right here, is actually downloading. So now that the extension has actually finished downloading, the next thing is to actually go into our Chrome extension. So this is it right here, extension, manage extensions. So but before you load the new extension that you downloaded into your computer, first you want to remove the previous one that you have, which is this right here. So let me remove it, and of course click on remove. So now I've removed the former. The next thing that you want to do is to go and unzip the one that you downloaded. So this is it right here, as you can see. So let me just unzip it. Right click on it, and of course click on extract here. So we have it right here. Now let's go back into our Chrome browser, and of course the extension aside, click on load extension, and of course click on the download, and of course we have it right here. So let me click on that and click on select. Voila, as you can see, it has just been added into my selection of Chrome extensions, which is this right here. So we have it now right here. What we need to do next is to actually reconnect our Telegram with the Novaclick. But before we do that, you want to toggle the extension right here, and of course click on it. So we have it right here, as you can see. This is it. So let me just move it right here. So we have it here. Now the next thing that we want to do is to go to this site right here, click .trade on nova.io. so click on connect. Once we click on connect, it will take us back to our Telegram, which we need to connect. So click on the web, so click on launch Novaclick, and then click on the link, and then we just have to wait for it. Now voila, as you can see, it says success. Now click on got it. Now the next thing is to hover to our Bullx Neo and of course refresh the page, as you can see. So voila, as you can see, our Novaclick is back on Bullx Neo terminal. So what you need to do, once you've connected your Telegram through the click.trade on Novaclick, you refresh your page. Once you refresh your page, the next thing is to click on here that says click on your extension, and of course enable it just like this, because earlier it will show you this disable. So you need to click on the disable to turn it to enable. So that way you can have it just as this. So if I click on any one of these, you see that we have already the Novaclick terminal right here, and of course we have the buy and sell buttons right here. As you can see, we can switch it over and over. So this is literally how easy it is. So I hope you did get some value out of this particular video. If you have, don't forget to smash the like button, and of course subscribe to the channel, because I always try my best to bring out any update as regard to Novaclick bot and Neo trading terminal that we are using to trade on Solana. As you can see, I have quite 3 videos as regard to addressing issues like this. So, and of course, if you have not started using Novaclick, is the fastest trading bot on Solana currently, do well to actually check the link in the video description, and of course in the comment section. So thank you, and of course see you in the next video. Bye bye.